Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate how to do a pour through for this gomphrena. Now this plant was recently watered, so it was watered about half an hour ago, so the soil is moist. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a known amount of distilled water onto the top. So I have 150 milliliters, so I'm going to pour this on the top. And you'll notice that I want to collect the leachate. So this was water. The idea is I want to displace the water that's in here by pouring this amount of water on, collecting it, then I can measure the pH and electrical conductivity of what I collect in the bottom. Whoop. And without letting it overflow. But luckily, since this is a demonstration, I already set something up where I've already collected the leachate. So I did this exactly the same way. I put 150 milliliters on. You can see now that I have solution that I collected from this plant. So I poured 150 milliliters of water on. It displaced what was in the container into this cup. Now I can set this off to the side. I can take my portable pH and EC meter, just like in your kit. I'm going to turn it on. Alright, so it is ready. It's telling me it's ready to measure microsiemens. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the solution, and I'm going to wait to see what I get. And sometimes it takes a while for the meter to stop moving. But we're going to say, for the matter of this demonstration, we'll say it's reading 425 microsiemens. Now it's important to remember the units. Alright? So 425 microsiemens, you'll have to convert that to millisiemens in order to understand what this is in, and compare it to what's on the charts. So 425 would be 0.4, so it would be a 0.4. Now I'm going to switch the mode. Oh, I turned it off. I don't want to do that. See, I have to play with my own meters. Mode. Okay. Now it's telling me parts per million. I don't want to measure that. But I do want to measure the pH. Okay, so now I'm going to measure, I'm going to again set this back into the solution, and I'm going to measure the pH. And again, we'll wait for it to stop moving. So it's reading 7.04. So I have a pH of 7.04 and electrical conductivity of 0.42 millisiemens per centimeter. So now I can go back and compare this to known guidelines for gomphrena to see, do I need to adjust my fertilization, improve my fertilization? And again, it's a way to continually monitor and check the progress of your plants.